Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's a girl here from is Breezy. Guys, you are welcome to this vlog. I'm supposed to start this vlog inside the house, but Owen did not allow me. He was shouting, cry. I don't know what was making him to cry. I guess because I reduced the volume of his cartoon that he was watching. So guys, welcome to this vlog. This is me outside the house. Yeah, I'm outside the house. We just came down. I'm backing Owen. I can't like push Carol. I don't know why I'm so lazy today. I'm supposed to go and get this meat since to start cooking, but I've been so lazy since morning. I was just inside the house watching TV, pressing my phone, and all those things. But right now, I'm going to the shop where I want to go and get meat because we don't have meat at home anymore. The only thing I have in my freezer now is fish, turkey, and gizzard. That's the only thing I have in my freezer. But I want to use cow meat, like cow.
Feel they find this woman, pretty woman, a perfect woman when go there by your side. That pathetic woman, that kind of woman, brother, go build them yourself. Hey guys, welcome back again. So I'm back from where I went to buy meat. Guys, here's what I went to buy. Let me show you. Let me remove this first. Here's the meat I went to buy. Like I said, I went to buy meat. I only bought like beef. I only bought beef and cow leg. And this cow leg, why I actually bought it, it's been a long time I have cow leg in my soup. Because why I don't normally like to buy cow leg here is that their cow leg, they normally use hot water to remove the hair. So because of that, there will still be some hair left. So you will buy it and still come home to come and be roasting it. That is a big work for me. You see it? You see some hair? They use hot water to remove it. So you will still have some hair left. That is why I hardly buy cow legs. Guys, the sun today is just really hot. Today the weather is really hot. It's not really hot, but the weather is cool. But the sun today, this one shows say summer don't come out, summer don't come finish. So guys, I didn't even know I don't have onions at home, and I went down just no, I didn't remember to get onions. I didn't know I don't have at home because where I put onions, there's lemon there, there's lime there, so everything covered it. I didn't know there was no onions anymore. I only have this one, and I'm going to be just dividing it into two and manage it. That's it. I can't go down right now. I have onions powder. I use that one to support it. Oh, my lips there. So guys, here's the beef and the cow leg. I just roast some side. Oh, and what is it? I just roast some side where there is hair in the cow leg, and that is it. So I'm just going to allow it to boil so that I can throw the water away. I don't know if you guys normally do this. Each time I'm cooking meat, I normally let it to boil, then throw the water away with sticks before I'll put the ingredients. Does anyone else does that? Because someone actually told me that if you do that, the nutrients will go away, but I can't just cook my meat like that. Seriously, I normally boil my meat first, then throw it away. Okay, I want to blend it. Oh, when this is my want this. What are you doing? The summer is here now, so I'm not going to be using a lot of pepper anymore. Before I normally use one of this. This 5 single pepper, and this pepper is hot. But since it's summer, I think I'll just use 5 or 4 because I don't think it's going to be too pepperish. Let me just use the 5. I don't know. Only problem is I like music because it's normal to sing it. So So guys, welcome back again. I was trying to see if this boy will sleep so that I can just concentrate on my cooking. He don't want to sleep, so I have to pack him because I'm tired of shouting. He's just capturing things. I don't want him to spoil something, so I'm not there with him in the sitting room. So I just have to back him to see if he will sleep. He have not sleep, afternoon sleep. So meanwhile, I'm still cooking. I have not finished cooking. I've not even started. It's now I want to start. So let's cook this egusi soup together. Yeah, so Owen has finally slept. See. So he's sleeping now. It's time for me to go and put him in his bed. Thank God. At least no more shots for like 1 hour before he will wake up again. No more shots for now. So guys, you will be laughing at me, guys. The stronger it's really like being a mother, most especially this their age now. Toddlers, this their age. Hey God, you will shout and shout and shout and shout and shout and shout. So let me go and put him in his bed and I'll be right back. I've already put some things in my soup. Anyway, egusi soup don't normally take time to get ready. So I'll be back. Let me put him in his bed. So guys, I've put Owen in his bed. Thank God. He has finally slept. Okay, I think this thing's too bright. I don't know why. Okay. I think it's okay like this. Okay, this is locust beans. Do you guys know these locust beans, right? This is the kind of locust beans we see here. Yeah, I bought it in Africa store and I like locust beans a lot in my soup. Okay, after washing the locust beans, this is how it looks. You see, it's so nice. It's time for me to pour it inside the soup. Guys, I finished cooking. I'm so tired right now. I just want to relax here in the sitting room, then watch movie. I'll watch movie while relaxing. Yeah, I'll see you later in the vlog.
2 hours later.
Thank you all so much for watching this vlog. I really appreciate your presence. Yes, in this last video where you saw me eating, it's me shooting my first video for my new channel, which is Eat with Promise. It's going to be about mukbang. So guys, please, I would like you guys to support me over there. I'll be leaving the link in the description box and I'll leaving it in the comment section as well, so that you guys can support me over there. And I would really appreciate your support. See you all in my next video. For now, bye bye.